Integrating a Wealthfront portfolio is a straightforward process that can help you manage your investments efficiently. To start, you need to understand what Wealthfront is. Wealthfront is a robo-advisor that provides automated investment management services. It offers a range of portfolios that are tailored to your individual financial goals and risk tolerance. The first step in integrating a Wealthfront portfolio is to sign up for a Wealthfront account. This involves providing some basic information about yourself, including your name, address, and social security number. You will also need to link your bank account to your Wealthfront account, which will be used to fund your investments. Once you have signed up, you will need to answer a series of questions about your financial goals and risk tolerance. This will help Wealthfront determine which portfolio is best for you. The questions will cover topics such as your investment horizon, risk tolerance, and income goals. After you have answered the questions, Wealthfront will provide you with a recommended portfolio. This portfolio will be tailored to your individual needs and will include a mix of low-cost index funds. You can then choose to accept the recommended portfolio or make adjustments to it. One of the key benefits of using Wealthfront is its tax loss harvesting feature. This feature helps to minimize your tax liability by selling securities that have declined in value and using the losses to offset gains from other investments. This can help to reduce your tax bill and maximize your after-tax returns. To get the most out of your Wealthfront portfolio, it is essential to monitor and adjust it regularly. You can do this by logging into your account and reviewing your portfolio's performance. You can also make adjustments to your portfolio by adding or removing investments. In terms of best practices, it is essential to have a long-term perspective when investing in a Wealthfront portfolio. This means avoiding the temptation to make frequent changes to your portfolio in response to short-term market fluctuations. It is also essential to maintain a diversified portfolio, which can help to reduce your risk and increase your potential returns. Overall, integrating a Wealthfront portfolio is a simple and straightforward process that can help you achieve your financial goals. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a diversified and tax-efficient portfolio that meets your individual needs and helps you to achieve long-term financial success.